Hello, I'm Lindsay Konzak, editor of Modern Distribution Management and MDM.com. I'm talking with Mike Rowlett today of Womack Machine Supply, based in Farmers Branch, Texas. Womack, a fluid power distributor, is on MDM's list of the top 40 industrial distributors. How are you doing today, Mike?
I'm great, Lindsay. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. How is the year going for you?
2011 is doing just fine. It's really turned out to be a good year. Our bookings, our billings, and profits are all at record levels.
That's great. Where are you seeing strength right now in terms of end markets?
Well, through August, energy and mining are both at all-time highs for us. Machine tool, metals, and general industry are strong. Construction's improving. It's not housing, but mostly infrastructure. Construction's improving. Military, aerospace, and wind energy are all slowing down.
Okay. Where else do you still see challenge?
Our challenges are really all related to rapid growth. Our business is improving quicker than we expected. We're struggling to get some products, partly because the global industry has grown faster than the supply chain could react, and partly because we're now competing with China for product. Our other big challenge is training new people. It takes significant time to get new hires up to speed, and we're struggling to get that done right now.
What is your focus then as we move towards the end of 2011? Where do you see some opportunity for Womack?
We're real fortunate in that we're almost guaranteed to have double-digit growth through 2012. So our focus is on preparing for the next 3 to 5 years. We're working real hard in two areas. First is hiring and training new field sales and customer service people, getting them on board and getting them trained. And then the second area is fine-tuning the processes and tools that those folks use to serve our customer. It's an exciting time, and we're definitely focused on the future.
You've spoken about your company's diversification into new end markets over the past several years. Could you tell us a little bit more about that and how that's perhaps helped you through the recent economic uncertainty that we've seen?
Sure. Womack's a 60-year-old company, and for almost the entire part of our life, we sold hydraulic equipment to the energy and construction markets in Texas, Oklahoma, and Louisiana. As I said earlier, we now also serve mining and machine tools, metals, packaging, military, and aerospace markets, as well as just general industry. Energy and construction is now less than 50% of our business, whereas just a few short years ago it was well over 60%. And this is due primarily to our making acquisitions in different markets, but also it's just from good, focused, hard work by some of our sales management team.
Womack is also known for being a great place to work. Why do you believe it is so important to make a positive work environment for your employees a priority?
Well, your timing is perfect. We just surveyed our employees, and they listed the two best things about their jobs as the people they work with and Womack's good family culture. We work real hard to make Womack a great place to work, and it really shows with our folks. We believe that if the company focuses on the people, then the people will focus on the business, and the results are happy customers and increased sales and strong profits. We really believe that our people and our culture are a competitive advantage. And as I said, if we take care of the folks, then they're going to take care of our customers, our suppliers, and each other. And it's really worked well for us so far.
Finally, a question we ask of all the executives that we've spoken to for this feature. What three things keep you up at night?
Well, actually, I sleep pretty good these days. It's a good time to be me, especially compared to 2 years ago. But I can give you three things in reverse order. This is kind of the Johnny Carson deal.
Okay.
My third biggest concern is keeping our people from burning out during the time of rapid growth. As I said, trying to get new folks up to speed, because our folks are dedicated. They're going to do whatever it takes to take care of the customers and the suppliers, even to the point of hurting themselves. My second biggest concern is whether the self-serving politicians in Washington will ever start taking care of the country rather than feathering their own nest. And my biggest concern that I have is that the media, with their attempts to sensationalize events and one-up their competition, will manage to scare the American people into making poor decisions. I believe if it weren't for the media and the politicians, the American people and good common sense business could drive a strong economy.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Mike.
Well, thank you for the opportunity. We appreciate the work that you do and appreciate you giving us a chance to speak our piece. Thank you, ma'am.